guys, thank you for clicking onto my video, and today I want to show you guys how I make my MSM hair tea for rapid hair growth. So if you guys want to know more, then keep watching. So MSM is methyl sulfonyl methane, and it's sulfur rich, which has anti-inflammatory properties. It can decrease joint pain. It acts as an anti-inflammatory. It speeds the recovery of your muscles, boost the immunity system, and improve your overall skin health. Sulfur can form bonds, helping to strengthen your hair and improve your overall hair growth. Your nails and your hair have keratin, which have sulfur to sulfur bonds. So more of that can help rapidly increase your hair growth. Also, I'm going to be pairing it with vitamin C, which has some great benefits. It can prevent iron deficiency, boost your immune system, and help manage your blood pressure. I'm also going to be taking collagen, which can improve your overall hair, skin, and nail health. So I'm going to insert the clips in right now. Alright, you guys, make sure you guys subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I'm also going to leave the links in the description box of the supplements. I like to take my supplements with green tea, but you can use whatever favorite tea of choice. Don't kill me, but I like to take about 1 tablespoon of MSM, and I drink a lot of water with it. But it's recommended to start off at a smaller dosage, like 1 teaspoon. Some people do experience side effects, which are headaches, nausea, abdominal discomfort, bloating, and diarrhea. After my tea finishes, I let it steep for about 2 to 3 minutes, then go in with my sugar substitute. This happens to be my favorite brand. It is just as sweet as sugar, if not sweeter. I do about 3 scoops and then stir. If you guys enjoyed this video, thought it was helpful in any way, give this video a thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.